Today on Monster Adventures, we've got some dinosaurs trapped in ice eggs. We're gonna figure out how to get them out of there, and then we're gonna use the extra ice to play in our Swamp Chomp with some of our color shifters. Whoa! Hey, look, one of the dinos is already free. Let's see. This one's pretty close. Maybe we should use some hot water.
Let's use some hot water! Whoa!
Is it melting out?
Maybe.
Keep pouring. Can you pull them off?
Oh no!
Almost, and a little more water. Action.
Go for it!
Oh,
Can we pull them out?
we rescued him.
Whoa!
Did we get any? Oh, there's one.
There's also the other one stuck.
Oh boy, you gonna throw it again? Getting closer.
Wow! Icicles rolling all over the place.
Little hot water to finish these guys off. Rescue them. Is that working?
Looks like it.
No.
Let's smash him down again.
Okay.
Where did he go?
Oh, there he is. He's free.
And
Hey, he went straight free. Okay, where's that dino? You might need a little hot water action, huh?
hot water, hot water. I repeat, the hot water. And can be out of here.
All right, let him float around. Gonna get him out.
Oh, it melted half of it.
Oh,
It
nice.
melted his ankle too.
Sometimes it just takes a little time. Spin him around in there. Spin him fast. Having fun. All right, is he coming out yet?
Starting to. Maybe we can pull him out right now.
Oh, free, another one. Who's in there? It's kind of mysterious and cloudy. Gonna throw? Whoa. Oh, like a blue,
Rat?
a raptor or a T-Rex maybe?
Or a rat.
Oh, or a Rex. All right. Woo! Oh, it's got like spines on its back. I don't even know. It's really cool though. Spin them around.
We got it.
Spin them till they're free. Freedom!
That's a lot of water. Whoa, one of them is almost broke free from its eggs.
Oh my goodness.
One of them totally broke free.
Oh, nice.
And this one still needs more hot water. And free!
He's still wearing a little of his ice.
I want to watch this.
Oh, so close.
I want to give it a try.
Oh. I think he's pretty much free. Yay.
Love you. See what I mean? There's smoke.
Okay, maybe if you roll it around.
Maybe if we flip it over. Maybe if we flip it over. Salt time. This will. It completely is all gone.
Right.
Look.
Yeah. Look at all that salt on there.
washed away the salt.
Yeah.
This is getting creepy. Whoa! That guy just went straight for you out.
All right. You might have to throw him one more time. Can you do it?
And there's another guy who also just went straight out.
This guy came straight out, but Lobster's being stubborn.
Let's take it out.
He needs a little more work.
This guy's name is Buddy.
So
That's
close.
a good one.
All right, they actually fell right out when we were picking them up to put them in the bucket, but we're gonna get a little hot water just to clear the rest of the ice. Now they're totally free.
Let's go first.
Okay, well, we rescued all the dinos from the ice. Now we're using our extra ice here in the Swamp Chomp. So who's gonna go first through the Swamp Chomp?
Mega Rex.
All right, let's see if he can do it. Oh!
Completely spilled off it. What?
All right, Megarex didn't do it. He knocked out our hot water. We got some more though. Okay, who's gonna try next? Oh,
Piranha.
ooh, piranha. Give it a shot. Oh, in the
Even-
cold water.
That's my home turn and my own gator is going against me.
Ooh, changing colors.
That's my own gator going against me.
All right, who's next?
Podium Cracker.
Did Podium Crusher do it?
Yeah.
Good job, Podium Crusher. Landed in the boat. Okay, who's gonna go next?
It's called Shifter.
All right. Oh, in the
We'll
cold.
give him a second try.
Okay. Oh.
He did it. Let's give him a little smudge.
Okay, we gave him a little help. Good job.
Now let's see if his pixel will come. That's really, really light blue. That's
You want to try dunking him in the ice, see if he changes?
Uh-huh. He changed back.
The darker blue.
Uh-huh.
Very cool.
He gets to be like this for our next round.
All right, who's gonna go next? This guy?
Night Shifter.
The Night Shifter, awesome. Okay.
Yeah, this bridge is broken. Let's win.
Go for it.
Ah!
He wins! Landed in the boat. That's how you win. All right.
He doesn't change it all in hot water. Without him in the cold water.
All right, give him a try. See what happens.
Change.
Maybe we need to get some hotter hot water.
This guy will get in a hot water. Pour more hot water around him. All over him. Ah, hot water. Turn it hot.
All right, well maybe he's not a changer or maybe our water's not hot. We'll figure it out.
Shift this night.
Okay, who's next?
Night Shifter.
Okay, you ready, Night Shifter?
Huh? Let's shift this night. Can I call this?
Right
But
in
it-
the hot water.
But it counts. It counts.
It counts, okay. What does he do in cold water?
That's the question. Oh,
Ooh,
wow.
that's neat. Who's next?
Sharkweed.
Awesome. Whoa, missed it. Whoa.
Right on the pavement.
All right.
What is it? Swims on.
What does he look like? Ooh,
Purple?
pink. Very cool. Okay, who's next?
Torque Twister.
All right, Torque Twister.
You get free trying. I think he can get in the hot water.
Okay.
Yeah, it got interesting.
Ooh.
White. He moves on to the second round.
Who's next?
Are you there yet?
All right.
This guy won't come down. Ah!
In the cold water.
And he turns purple.
Yeah.
Super free tries now.
Cold water again.
Oh,
All
he
right.
slipped on the side though.
He did.
That was awesome.
That was awesome. All right.
That
Neat.
he moves on. Oh!
Who's next?
Muscle racer.
Muscle Racer. Okay. In the cold water. Ooh, what color is he now?
Purple.
Very cool. Oh. Third time. Last chance. All right, who's next?
We're passing the Grand Line of Cards. Scorpedo.
Okay.
I was speaking to the, you know this thing, fly like a butterfly, sting like a scorpion.
Yeah. Let's see what he can do.
Take the tail off, he earns extra weight.
Okay.
Fair enough, right?
Fair enough.
Fail.
Fail. Cold water.
Red.
Yeah, now he's a nice darker red.
I'm just giving him a fourth try.
Okay. Oh, totally stuck. You're gonna help him in, aren't you? It's back his lighter color.
Because he earns his tail back.
Okay. All right, we're gonna do another car.
We're the past of the Grand Alley of Cars.
The Grand Alley of Cars, okay?
Do you know what I'm going to say? Fly like a bat time.
That's right, bat.
Fly like a bat?
Vampira, what can you do? Little too far. Second chance. Oh, right in the hot water.
That counts.
That counts?
And
Okay.
let's see what happens in here.
Yeah. Ooh, darker green. I like that.
He moves on.
Who's up next?
This guy.
Okay,
Well,
this is one of the clean to dirty ones. He's got his dirty look on now. Oh, in the ice.
And he's clean.
I think ice makes him dirty. He'll have to win it to get clean. Oh!
He wins.
All right, do we clean him up with our hot water? There he goes, getting clean.
I love that car wash. Why would I live in a car wash? Well, I go from clean and dirty. Color shifter Roger Dodger time.
All right, color shifter Roger Dodger time.
Roger my Dodger.
Okay.
We
Wow, he won the first time.
need more hot water though to color shift him.
Okay. What does he do in the cold water?
Oh, let's see. Whoa, awesome.
Oh, very cool.
He's like that to the next round.
All right, the last three.
Of this round,
Who's next?
Bone Shaker.
All
I'm
right.
gonna win to get right.
Oh,
First shot was.
here's what hot water looks like on the bone shaker.
We don't have. We need more hot water.
Ooh, there we go.
White.
Ooh, white. Very cool. Who's up next?
Ooh.
Rex.
Smash and more. Wow.
Wow, that was a clear win. Very cool.
his hot color.
What's his cold color?
A little orangey.
Yeah.
He's gonna be like that for the next round.
All right. Last car of the first round. Okay.
Scorpedo. You know this saying, fly like a butterfly, sting like a scorpion.
Mm-hmm. Do you think you can do it?
Uh-huh.
You want to try it one more time?
Let's push him.
Okay, give her a little push. Nice.
Let's see what he looks like in cold water.
Okay.
Whack! That's my favorite.
Neat. Okay, here's all the ones that landed in the boat last time. We're gonna give them each 3 more chances again, see if they can land in the boat again. Who's gonna go up first?
Scorpedo.
Okay.
We're gonna have the grand. Now we have cars again. They're in the front.
Okay, let's see if Scorpedo can make it again. Oh, very cool, he made it.
And he gets to be yellow again.
Nice.
Nice job, Scorpedo. You go up. I'm gonna do 909.
909, okay, let's see if 909 can
I'm
get in
going
the
to
boat
put
again.
everybody at 6 families.
Oh, ice cold.
This is cool.
Hey, he did it on the second try. Getting that hot water bath.
Not bad. He looks awesome. Whoa, look at him. He goes to the line.
Who's up next?
Shark Week.
Okay, Shark Reek. Can you do it again? A little too far.
He's more used to going too far than
All
two.
right, second try.
Dude,
Oh, ice cold. Purple. Aww. All right, we want Shark Reek to have one more chance to get in that warm bath. Aw, ice cold.
Again.
Okay, you just want to keep going until he gets through.
Well, somebody does, so let's do it.
Okay, let's see that warm water. Ooh, I do like his warm water look. Very cool. Okay, what's gonna do next?
Roger, Dodger.
Nice. Look at that dark color. I like that.
And Roger, Charge my Dodger. That's my team's name from one of our other videos.
Oh, that's right. Oh, ice cold. Oh, he made it over.
He did it.
He did it. Nice.
Did he hang on there? Oh, we're out of hot water.
Oh boy, let's get some more.
Green.
Okay, who is next?
Night Shifter.
Night Shift.
I'm about to shift this night.
Okay, let's see if he can do it again. A little too far.
Mine's awful.
Give him another chance.
Whoa! He already changed colors.
All right, you want to see if Vampira can do it again?
Uh-huh. I'm going to try to land in that. Oh, that red.
All right.
Come on.
Whoa.
He already turned like that.
Okay.
Wait, he basically has his flower backwards.
My goodness. You gonna try her backwards? Oh. Ooh. Hot watercolor.
Already?
Oh, nice.
Want to see his cold water form?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Orange.
Hot water?
Sort of a white.
And a really white. And a second more.
Who are we gonna send through next? RV there yet. Oh, made it so fast.
Wanna see his cool color?
Sure. All right, let's hold it up so we can see. All purple and beautiful.
Cool? Hot, I mean. He moves. He goes through.
Who's gonna try next?
Scorpedo. We're at the end of the car condition by now, actually.
Okay, give it a try.
Red. First try. Let's take off his tail. I think that helps.
Okay.
Let's see if we can do this in one shot. Wow. One more try. Wow! That's the
Woohoo!
last try. And he's on. Want to see his cool color?
Sure. Dark.
Ding, ding, ding.
Very cool.
Podium crasher. And about the podium, this stadium. Podium that stadium.
Okay, let's see if Podium Crasher can do it. Almost. Landing in the boat is the goal. Oh!
Oh!
Nice. What happens when you pour the hot water on him?
I'm back on that.
Ooh, blue, pretty cool.
No time for me. I'm busing this day.
Okay, too cool for school or higher education. Higher education, can he do it? Oh, what does the cold water do to higher education? Makes him look muddy. Oh, oh, nice.
That's all he can do, I think.
Now he gets cleaned off. Okay.
Night shifter. I'm about to shift this night.
Now we learned that this night shifter, not a color shifter, but we like him, so we're gonna let him go again.
Wait, we've lost Scorpedo's tail.
That's all right, we can give it to him in a minute.
Wow!
Brr.
I mean a hot bath.
Oh, he did land in the water and then right out.
Phew, I'm the heart again.
All right, one more try.
Whoa!
Whoa.
That counts.
Good job, Night Shifter. All right, Mega Rex, you want to go through one more time? Ah,
I ain't gonna land in that boat so I can.
here's
go
another
on the
chance.
fire
Oh,
now.
brr. Oh, he keeps getting the freezing cold ice water. He did it!
And
Let's give him a hot bath. Make him that lighter yellow color. We have had a lot of fun escaping dinosaurs and playing with color shifting monster trucks. But now it's time to go. So we'll see you next time on
Monster Adventures.